Historically, we've used simulator time on the 175 specifically in Charlotte, St. Louis, Phoenix, as well as other locations. So having 2 additional simulators here in DFW is a huge convenience to all of our pilots.
So right now we're in Irving, Dallas 2 as we call it, and this side of the building was recently developed for Envoy Air.
The big behind the scenes is just how much time and effort goes into the finished product.
The device is manufactured in Canada, in Montreal. Essentially, it's a big puzzle. It's tested and then shipped out from Montreal to, in this case, in Dallas. And then once the device is installed, it gets passed on to the software team. And the software team's task is to integrate the software into the existing hardware.
After the rebuild, engineers come in, pilots, myself, subject matter experts, and test everything numerous times. So every single aspect of these simulators, whether it's the motion, the sound, the malfunctions, the responses, scenarios, every single aspect of the simulator is tested over and over and over for a lengthy amount of time before the simulator gets up and running and before the FAA can come in and approve it. The big stamp of approval is after the FAA National Sim Team comes and approves the simulator after the qualification.
What we really pride ourselves on is that we really do go above and beyond to make sure that we can provide a training device that really exceeds our clients' expectations.
These 2 simulators are owned by Envoy, and so every single hour, 24/7 is available to Envoy to use. It's going to be a lot more efficient for us because we don't have to outsource simulators and rent simulator time and compete with other airlines to get our pilots through training.